What's up, Darius? Chris here, the owner of CNP Marketing Design. And in this video, I'm going to show you what you can do to bring more customers straight to your business using your website and Google Business Profile as the tools. And the topics of today are going to be content, backlinks, and citations, and what that'll actually do for your business if you use these strategies. More importantly, how you can easily get an extra 63 jobs per month or more consistently by doing what I'm about to teach you right here in this video. But first off, man, I checked out the page, and I have to say, you are absolutely killing it with the content. I love your slogan up here. I love the videos you've been posting. I've been following you for a little bit. We're friends on Facebook. And dude, you've just been crushing it with your Facebook. And I know everything that I'm about to teach you right here in this video is going to take everything that you have right now and just bump it up 10 more levels for you. So getting right into it, I wanted to go over the first topic, and that's page content. So to do that, I'm going to go into one of your biggest competitors online in the Las Vegas area, and that's 702 Clean It Up Crew. So page content is made up of the words, the images, and text behind the images called alt text that make up a certain page of your site. So anything that could be highlighted on your home page, it makes up your page's content. Now you actually need at least 1,500 to 2,000 words in your home page to be optimized with Google, depending on your competition and keywords. And this is also going to give you a lot more opportunity to fill in with some buyer intent keywords that you're trying to get business for. And all a buyer intent keyword is a search term that somebody typed into Google that indicates they're ready to buy your services. For example, if somebody looked at pressure washing companies Las Vegas, you know that they're looking to get a pressure washing job done, and it's in an area that you target. And when you rank for these words, you come up first and get more customers coming straight to you that are already ready to buy. So to sum it up, Google loves information and relevancy, and it actually has bots that will come and scan your page to try to find out what services that you offer and what areas that you target. And when you put these keywords into your website, when you embed them into certain ways, not only will it allow you to rank for them in the first place, it allows you to rank very quickly, very powerfully, and it makes you very hard to beat for your competitors. So this is why content is king, and it's the easiest and fastest way to rank for anything. And if you check out the amount of content that they have on their front page, they don't really have that much. So it's going to make it that much easier to actually beat these guys and getting all the business that they're getting to their website going to you instead. So the second important topic I want to go over with you are backlinks. To do that, I'm going to go into a tool I use called Ahrefs that gives you the breakdown of the performance of a website. Now there's a lot of numbers up here, and I don't want you to get confused, so I'm going to break those down for you real quick. The UR is the power of the page being searched. In this case, it's their homepage. The DR is the power of the entire website. This 93 is the number of backlinks that they have to their website. This 29 is the amount of referring domains or the referring websites sending those backlinks, the amount of organic keywords that they're actually ranking for, and the amount of traffic on estimate based on patterns that Ahrefs believes that this website is getting. It's typically about 5 to 10 times higher than what's reflected here, because it's impossible to know how much true traffic a website's getting unless there's code directly embedded into the website, such as Google Analytics. So typically with it being 5 to 10 times higher, this is looking like more so 800 to 1,600 searches that they're getting to their website every single month. And this is what you're missing out on right now by not utilizing what I'm teaching you. So getting into the second topic, a backlink is another website linking to yours through theirs, either through a clickable text or image. So if I clicked on this link right here and it brought me up to their website, that's an example of this website sending their website a backlink. And the idea is that these links act like an endorsement of your website from other sites that Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouch for you, just like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins, but not all backlinks are created equal. You want more powerful and relevant sites linking to give you more authority in Google's eyes, because quality always wins with backlinks. And by relevant, I mean if you had other pressure washing or window cleaning sites linking to you, that's going to do a whole lot more for you than a site like Pizza Hut for obvious reasons, right? Now we can actually take a look at their backlinks to find out what's making them successful, and we use it as a roadmap to beat them at their own game. But let's take a look at their keywords real quick to find out what they're actually ranking for to get business. This is a perfect example of a keyword that you'd want to target. Pressure washing Las Vegas. Buyer intent, location specific, gets a lot of searches, 250 on average per month. And this being in the first position, they're getting about 90 searches per month on average, right? Just estimated by Ahrefs, probably a lot higher for this one keyword. Imagine if you rank for that one keyword, how much extra business you would get off of that one, right? And you can rank for as many as you want. Every single service that you offer in every single area that you target has their own keywords as well. Now I give you the breakdown of some of those numbers and how they work here at the end of this video, but first I want to show you a Google search. The first thing you see here is an amazing tool called the Google Map Pack. Many people go here first to find a business that fills their needs, And getting ranked in this top position typically means at least an extra 40 or 50% more calls than top organic rank alone with just a website. Now, what gets you ranked here amongst other things is having a stronger and larger citation profile than your competitors. And a citation is your business's name, address, and phone number submitted into directories such as Yelp and Yellow Pages, and there are thousands of these things. Now, there are a lot of other ranking factors, but your organic ranking and your citations are some of the biggest. You could also rank in multiple areas all at once using the same profile, as well as capture all of those near me keywords like pressure washing near me. So let's say your profile was set up right here. Over time, the stronger it gets, the more power you push to it, the larger the area it's going to capture. And now you have people from all over this area looking for anything pressure washing service related, right? Or pressure washing near me, right? Any of those kinds of words. And you're popping up in this top position and they're calling you. So by using your website, you're locking down specific words like Las Vegas, Spring Valley, Paradise, and every single search term that revolves around people searching for that specifically. By using your Google Business Profile, you're getting literally everyone else that's searching for those services as well that aren't looking for those specific search terms. Now, once these strategies are all coming together and you're beginning to outgrow your competitors, here's what you might be looking at and why it's worth it. So out of just these keywords that I grabbed, there's a ton more. And this doesn't include all the areas that you probably service as well. But between these keywords, that's 1,450 searches per month on average. If you converted just 3% of those into paying customers, that's 43 new clients per month from your website. And if you couple that with the Google Business Profile, you're looking at least an extra 63 jobs per month or more by using both strategies, not including all the other keywords or all the other areas your Google Business Profile is actually going to take over as well. So how do we actually find these numbers though? The average click-through rate of somebody in the top position of Google is 28.5%, meaning if I looked up pressure washing Las Vegas, the guy in the top spot is going to get about 28.5% of those site visits. 60 to 80% of those from buyer intent keywords will become hot leads. They'll call your business or fill out a lead form. And if your closing rate is about 50%, which it typically is at least getting leads this way, here's what the numbers look like from just the website. If you're in the top position for a buyer intent keyword that brings in 100 searches per month, you can expect to close about 8 to 11 deals per month on average by maintaining that top position. I just like the low ball at 3% being the minimum, even though it's often higher because, hey, nobody's ever upset with the low ball, right? And I'm not sure where your margins are specifically, but if you multiplied your average profit per job with the number of jobs you would get, what could you be making this year if you use these strategies? And Darius, this is what I do for a living. And while this video is going to help you start generating a really good amount of revenue, if you want to step it up, go after larger areas, more keywords, or if you just have any questions whatsoever about any of this, you're more than welcome to shoot me a message back, or you can give me a call or text at 330-978-5004. Either way, I would really appreciate just a line of feedback so I know whether or not you got some value out of this video. But thank you so much, Darius. Have an amazing rest of your day, and I will talk to you soon, my man.